Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change avatar in Khan Academy. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in khanacademy.org. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Khan Academy. Keep in mind you'll not be able to change the avatar through the Khan Academy application, so make sure to open it via the browser only. Once you open it, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you do not reach to this interface at first, make sure to click on this option Khan Academy and you'll be led to this kind of interface. So over here, you'll be able to find your avatar. Also, you'll be able to find your name and username. So if you want to change your avatar, what you have to do is simply click on the avatar that is selected right now. Now you'll be able to preview the avatar over here. You'll be able to find various options. You can simply scroll down. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is click on the option of your choice. Once you do that, you'll be able to preview the avatar over here. You'll also be able to select the style. Click on the style of your choice. After you do that, click on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your avatar has been changed. So that is how you change avatar in Khan Academy. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.